Welcome back to Camera West TV. My name's Carlo, and today is another unboxing episode. Alright, let's get to it. So we have the Q2 Dawn by Seal, and this is a limited 500 piece set. And we have here edition 94. Give that a little spin. You can see that it's sealed up. So let's break out the knife, and we're gonna slowly undo the seals here. No pun intended. 1 seal, 2 seal, 3 seal, and the 4th seal. So the pull tab comes open, we lift up, and we reveal a nice presentation box. So as you can see here, Q2 Dawn by Seal. I'm gonna carefully undo the tab. Make sure we don't bend any of these. And then just like so, lift up. We got the nice Leica script. So we have the inner presentation box, all black, and we got a couple compartments per usual. We're gonna have to flip the orientation here to show off this camera. So we have the inside box. Look at that, there it is. We have the Q2 Seal Edition. Before we get into all those goodies, let's check to see what comes in this box. We have a little drawer, has all the paperwork. So you can see, it's paperwork, warranties, certification of each probably can't read that. Each camera, one of a kind. And then we have some standard Q2 accessories. We have the thread protector ring that goes on the camera if you don't want to put the hood on. I'm not gonna unbag it right now. We have a charger, the charging cables, and we have a battery. All right, it looks like we have nothing in this compartment. Looks like it's just for documents. Close that up. All right, let's get into some of the special stuff here. So we have here the rag and bone scarf, and I'm not gonna undo it, but I'll put up a picture of what it looks like. The graphic has full Seal lyrics all along the scarf. And now we have the rope strap that is just a standard rope strap, but it has a leather piece right here that has Seal lyrics that read, "You are the light for the darkest side of me" by Seal, which I think is a reference to his song. And lastly, we have the camera. All right, that's enough cutting. We'll pull my knife away. So this camera is covered with a kimono fabric in black and gold, which shows a scar-like structure when touched. So this camera hasn't been handled by my hands yet, but let's see what this scar-like pattern will do. Let's see. Okay, nothing. But it seems like it's very delicate and will wear off the more you use it. Let's get a nice close-up shot of that. Shimmery, almost like sequins. You can see right there it has a very cloth-like structure. The fabric does feel like a kimono, which is pretty cool. And then you have here the black Leica dot, which is a nice accent. And then right here, it's a little hard to see. So we have on the screen right here the edition number out of 500, and then we have a little signature by Seal at the bottom. It's a little hard to see that. Other than that, everything is pretty much like a standard Q2. So this concludes this unboxing episode. I hope you enjoyed seeing a first-hand look at the Leica Q2 Dawn by Seal. It's a very fascinating camera, and with it being a limited run of 500 cameras, I think it would be a pretty cool camera to own, especially if you're a Seal fan. Plus you get some pretty cool accessories to go along with the camera. So This camera is now available in Leica boutiques as well as stores worldwide. So please give us a call or check out our website at leicastoresf.com or camerawest.com and place your order. Thanks.